Place the pork belly in boiling water. I learned this recipe at a 5-star restaurant. In a medium pan filled with boiling water, add 500 grams of meat, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the pan with a lid and let it boil for 15 minutes. Now, the pork belly has taken the necessary liquid and flavors from the water. Transfer the meat to a cutting board lined with paper towel and dry it very well. Take this time to share this video with your friends and write in comments, where are you from? I would like to know from which country people are watching my video. Now after the meat is well dried, sprinkle with salt and black pepper. Don't forget to turn the meat on the other side and sprinkle with salt and pepper here too. Then pour 1 liter of cooking oil into a well-heated pan. After the oil is hot enough, put the slices of pork belly in the oil to fry. So that they are well covered with oil, I fried to pieces, after which I fried the other 2. When the meat turns brown, it is ready. Transfer the meat to a plate. Now it's time to prepare the sauce. Take an onion cut in half and cut it into cubes. See how I did it in this video. Transfer the onion to a bowl and take 3 cloves of garlic and chop it finely. Then transfer the garlic to the same bowl. I also cut bell pepper into cubes and added it to this bowl. Add 2 large spoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of hot paprika, 1 pinch of black pepper, and 1 pinch of salt. Mix it well. This is easy but delicious sauce. Now everything is ready. Arrange the pork belly nicely on a plate. Look how crispy it is. The fat has melted well, and it is very tasty with meat. I think this is the crunchiest food I've ever eaten. It breaks like potato chips. Soak in this delicious sauce. Thank you very much for staying until the end. Have a nice day and see you next time.